Welcome to this demo of the new Meridian Interactive Reporting Suite, a powerful tool designed to give educators and administrators access to meaningful assessment data. Once logged in, users land on a simple, intuitive dashboard. From here, they can quickly navigate between the available types of reports, including student, classroom, school, and district-level testlet reports. In general, classroom teachers would have access to their class reports and student reports. Let's look at a classroom testlet report. At the top, you'll see a summary chart and a standards table. This gives a quick snapshot of student performance across 3 performance bands and performance summary for each of the standards assessed on this testlet. This view helps teachers quickly assess overall classroom performance and determine where to focus support. Scrolling down, we show the top misconceptions reported for this testlet. Misconception reporting is only available for math testlets. In this example, several students misunderstood how to interpret negative signs in fractions. This lets teachers move beyond scores and immediately zero in on conceptual misunderstandings, making reteaching more targeted and effective. Below that is the student details table. For each student, we display the test date, performance band, and any identified misconceptions. You can scan this list to get a sense of who's performing at each level and what they're struggling with, without having to open separate reports. With this report, you can sort students by performance band by clicking on the band of interest. This will bring you to the student table, which will now only include students who performed in that band. This makes grouping for intervention fast and simple. To go deeper, we can sort by reported misconceptions. For example, if several students are flagged for a misunderstanding in place value or fractions, the teacher can group them for targeted support based on the actual concept, not just the score. We can combine these filters to identify all students in a particular band that demonstrated the same misconception, so I can group them for a mini lesson or intervention. Clicking a student name opens their individual report. Here you'll see their performance band, reported misconceptions for math, and table with the descriptions of each question that they were asked, whether they earned credit, and the standards to which that item was aligned. With just a few clicks, this report helps teachers identify groups of students with similar needs, whether that's based on performance level or specific misconceptions. It gives a clear picture of how the class is performing as a whole, while making it easy to plan targeted small group instruction. By turning raw assessment data into meaningful insights, our interactive reports support faster decisions, more effective interventions, and better outcomes for all students.